In a room filled with high-quality weapons, the beautiful assassin Rose is taking selfies alone. Next to her is the green giant nicknamed Roll, mimicking Rose's actions.
What is he?
The monkey Jack is being chased by the boss XICMAN and his henchmen.
Stop! Stop!
Jack runs into a house. When XICMAN arrives, he sees no one and continues searching. Two henchmen tell XICMAN that there's no one here, making him furious, and they then run off in a different direction to search for the monkey. Jack escapes from the boss and breathes a sigh of relief. Rose is still taking selfies, while Roll next to her feels bored and leaves. Suddenly, Jack looks up and sees the green giant entering a room. He thinks for a moment and then moves upstairs. Jack observes Rose and mimics her actions. She accidentally spots the monkey behind him. Jack walks up, stands in front of Rose, and immediately knocks her unconscious. He walks to the window and checks out the weapons in front of him. But what catches his interest more is the suitcase full of money. He grabs the money with great joy. Jack immediately takes the suitcase and the gun, then quietly slips away.
Bye.
XICMAN and his two henchmen are still searching for the monkey everywhere. He gets angry when he can't find Jack. Jack stands behind a tree observing XICMAN and his henchmen.
I have a hit for you.
He confidently steps out in front of the boss.
Hello, boss. I have money here.
Are you wasted? Huh?
Oh no. I have a hit for
Jack
you.
shows the suitcase, making XICMAN extremely pleased, and he orders his henchmen to go and take it.
Hey, let's go. Take it. Come here.
Good, very good.
The stacks of money hitting XICMAN's face make him very happy, and he praises Jack.
SWAT money.
Jack sees this and walks away.
Goodbye.
Okay.
The boss and his henchmen cheerfully bid the monkey farewell.
Thank you.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Roll enters and sees that Rose has been knocked unconscious. He rushes over in shock and tries to wake her up.
What's up?
Rose recounts everything
Someone hit
to
me.
Roll, making
Hit
him
the monkey.
extremely angry.
Who are you?
No, I don't know.
The suitcase is also gone.
Huh? Where my money? Sugar. Bobby, where my money?
Rose and Roll, furious, quickly grab their weapons and search for the thief. Jack is startled when he sees Rose and Roll searching for the suitcase. He seizes the opportunity and runs out to block their path.
Huh? Stop here. What happened? I look there, Suke.
Jack pretends to know the whereabouts
Ready?
of the suitcase
Who are
and
you?
points towards the boss holding it.
Stop. Sit quiet.
Bobby, let's go.
Rose and Roll immediately head there, while Jack grabs a weapon and follows behind.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So much money.
Give me
Rose
my
raises
money.
her voice demanding the return of the suitcase from XICMAN,
Hey,
but he and his henchmen don't know who she
I
is.
don't know.
And thus the battle begins! Roll rushes out firing continuously at a henchman, and his companions fire back at Roll. Rose sees this and immediately takes down a henchman.
No.
The remaining henchmen, overwhelmed by the fierce attack, flees. Rose and Roll don't give up and pursue him. The henchman runs upstairs to report the situation to XICMAN, who quickly orders his henchmen to flee. A henchman suddenly charges out, firing, forcing Roll to shield Rose from the bullets. XICMAN also charges out to attack Roll. Jack runs upstairs and, seeing the situation, kills the last henchman.
No.
Rose rushes out and shoots at XICMAN, severely wounding him.
Bobby, you okay?
I'm fine.
Let's go.
Having completed his role here, Jack quickly leaves.
Huh? Stand still. You, stop.
At this point,
Damn it.
XICMAN flees in desperation. Jack is still trying to chase the boss quickly, as
Stop
XICMAN
here.
realizes he has fallen into the monkey's trap. Jack shoots XICMAN dead instantly. When Rose and Roll come down, they find the boss dead and the suitcase missing. The monkey has taken the suitcase full of money and escaped. Roll and Rose are left helpless, unable to find the suitcase.